Music, oh, so beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, family and friends on this Aloha Saturday, please put your hands together for this beautiful couple with beautiful music of Kupaoa.
Mahalo, you guys. You know what, talking about cleaning house, I got a song for you.
This is not the relaxed kind song, this is the
you gotta jam, you gotta clean house because guys coming over.
So we're gonna do this song. We thank you again for coming out and supporting all of the things made here in Hawaii. Song off of, a medley of songs actually off of our second CD. I'm gonna bring Brother Frankie out.
It's kind of like old favorites that we put together in a medley.
Brother Frankie's gonna take us out to the country.
Take us over to a party.
And he insists that every time we introduce this song, we gotta do the disclaimer. Okay, so this is a disclaimer. This song is not hula.
You know, we started doing this in the mainland. We did this tour of Northern California last month, and we needed one piece to close out the show, just to get everybody, happy and they're going home with a smile. So we figured we're gonna do this thing.
Well, this was the piece though.
So it's an English song, and I told Frank, hey, you get free reign. Do whatever you like. So he goes to us, he goes, have you ever heard of the zumba?
It's not the zumba, it's just zumba. It's just zumba.
I just do that to irritate you guys.
Okay.
The zumba, the Twitter, the Facebook.
So Frankie takes zumba, and he is also, as you could probably see, a very accomplished hula dancer. He and his hula sister, they have their own halau kananio keakua school of hula. But for this song, he wanted to change it up. So he is playing the part of the psychotic Zumba instructor.
Okay, everybody get up.
He's just joking.
Whatever, it's still morning.
So he's gonna take